Potatoes are not only delicious and nutritious, but they are also the perfect ingredient for crunchy snacks. Are you curious about how they are prepared? Watch until the end of the video to discover the journey to create a potato snack that everyone loves. Growing potatoes is a meticulous process, from preparing the soil to each step of planting, harvesting, and storing. To grow potatoes, the soil is very important. Loosen the soil, remove rocks, and check the pH at 5.5 to 6.5. Create beds 7.87 to 11.81 inches high, 23.62 to 35.43 inches apart to improve drainage and help the tubers grow evenly and healthily. Potatoes are usually planted in two main seasons of the year, spring and fall. Seed tubers are gently placed in each prepared hole, then covered with a layer of soil about 1.97 to 2.76 centimeters thick. This layer of soil helps retain moisture, protects the seed tubers from direct sunlight, and creates conditions for deep roots, helping the potato plant to grow strongly from the first days. Currently, in the modern agricultural industry, the Shaktiman Grimy potato planter has brought an advanced solution. This product was developed thanks to the cooperation between Shaktiman and Grimy, helping to automate the potato planting process. The machine simultaneously sows seeds, fertilizes, and creates beds, saving time and labor. With a self-adjusting system, the machine ensures accurate sowing and is suitable for many types of soil, contributing to increasing productivity and improving the quality of potato production. Potatoes need enough water, especially when the tubers begin to develop. However, care must be taken to avoid keeping the soil too moist, as this can cause the tubers to rot and reduce the quality of the product. At some point in time, the young shoots will begin to rise, reaching towards the sunlight. Soon, green leaves will appear above ground, marking where the potatoes will continue to grow vigorously and form tubers. After about 8 to 12 weeks, the potato plants will begin to flower, a natural signal that the underground potatoes are ready for the upcoming harvest. In 2022, the area under potato cultivation in China will exceed 2,700 hectares. The output will reach 76,000 tons, a sharp increase compared to 2020. This shows the remarkable development of the agricultural industry. When the potato harvest season comes, the fields are filled with the bustling sound of machinery and the sight of harvesters diligently gliding through each row of soil. The machines, designed to dig and collect the tubers gently, move steadily, bringing each fresh potato out of the ground. Workers skillfully follow, inspect, and classify the potatoes right in the field, in a bustling and exciting atmosphere. The sight of long rows of cleanly collected potatoes creates a picture of a prosperous harvest, bringing joy and expectation for a bumper crop. Potato harvesters are specialized equipment that automate the potato harvesting process, ensuring high efficiency and minimizing labor. Some are equipped with a 9.84 to 11.81 inch deep digging system, a 4.92 foot wide conveyor belt to transport potatoes, and a screening system to remove soil, rocks, and impurities. The machine is capable of harvesting at a speed of up to 2.47 acres per hour, suitable for large-scale farms. A powerful engine with a capacity of 120 to 150 horsepower helps the machine operate stably on all types of terrain. In addition, self-propelled machines also integrate intelligent control systems and a storage compartment of up to 13,228 pounds, meeting the needs of continuous harvesting. After harvesting, the potatoes are quickly transported to the factory for sorting. Here they undergo thorough inspection processes to remove damaged, diseased, or substandard tubers in terms of size and quality. The qualified potatoes are then divided into groups based on size, weight, and color. This automated sorting process ensures that the potatoes meet the right standards before being processed or exported, helping to maintain high quality throughout the agricultural supply chain. The frozen potato chips production line includes the main steps from raw material processing to packaging and transportation. Potatoes are carefully selected, washed and peeled by automatic machines. The automatic potato washer is a modern device that helps clean potatoes quickly, saving time and effort. With a structure of stainless steel sink, rotating brush system, and high-pressure water spray, the machine ensures effective removal of dirt and thin skin. Washed and peeled by automatic machines. Then the potatoes are cut into the desired shape, soaked in antioxidant solution, and heat-treated, blanching, to reduce sugar and starch. The potatoes continue to be pre-fried in hot oil from 150 degrees Celsius to 170 degrees Celsius for 3 to 5 minutes, helping to create crispness and even golden color without absorbing much oil. After that, the potatoes are quickly cooled, shock freezing, below -18 degrees Celsius to preserve quality. After freezing, the product is automatically packaged with vacuum or degassing technology, protecting the potatoes from oxidation and keeping them crispy. Finally, the frozen fries are quality checked and stored at low temperatures before being shipped to distributors or supermarkets. This line helps optimize the production process, reduce costs, and ensure stable product quality. Now comes the part that many people are looking forward to the most: the process of creating each piece of crispy potato chips. Do you know how the potato snack processing process takes place? The potatoes have been processed and sliced into thin slices 35. Then each potato slice is soaked thoroughly to remove excess starch, ensuring that when fried, the potatoes will have a beautiful golden color and achieve the desired crispiness. Next, the potatoes are dried and fried in vegetable oil at high temperatures to achieve the perfect flavor and texture. Once drained, the fries are seasoned and cooled quickly. Finally, they are packaged in sealed bags to retain their crispiness and delicious flavor, ready to be enjoyed. Have you ever imagined a machine that can process a large volume of 881.85 pounds of potatoes in a short time? The new Provino 3G is a modern, powerful device designed to effectively crush potatoes in industrial production lines. Equipped with advanced technology, a powerful motor, and a sharp blade, the machine ensures smooth mashed potatoes, keeping them fresh without losing nutrients. Potatoes are a nutritious food, bringing many health benefits. They provide energy thanks to complex carbohydrates, aid digestion with high fiber content, and regulate blood pressure thanks to potassium. Vitamin C in potatoes helps boost immunity, while vitamin B6 and magnesium support bone, muscle, and brain function. However, to maximize the benefits, potatoes should be prepared properly, avoiding sprouted potatoes or potatoes fried in too much oil.